If this, not problem for you, highly recommend. This is most interesting tattoo machine I hold in my hands last time. Bronc. I have respect to this brand. They make really good tattoo machines, and V12 was really good, adjustable stroke and good balance at very good quality. I was excited when I was waiting for this tattoo machine because of this shape. They say that it's Thor's hammer. Maybe, but anyway, it looks really good. It looks really expensive and good quality tattoo machine. It's adjustable stroke, and I don't remember, maybe I had, but on this tattoo machine I understand that it have settings in the middle, for example 4.3 and 4.0, and between these two positions we have one more. So it's very precision settings, but in my opinion not tight enough, because I had situation, you see, I want to change the length of needle, and I must hold here and after turn. So but it's the question of practice with this tattoo machine. In general, perfect tattooing, perfect assembling. I'm not sure that it's the best tattoo machine ever, and even I'm not sure it's best tattoo machine from Bronc, because sorry guys from Bronc, but I do honest reviews only, so you ask me, I made it. In my opinion, balance not the best. Because of this, for sure, when I was shading, this motion was really comfortable, because like the hammer, it was easy. But when you want to make lines, it's really uncomfortable, because you can put it here, but when you hold it, your fingers are really tired. One more question is the sound. In my opinion, a little noisy. I don't understand why, because V12 previous tattoo machine was really quiet, and this one this have vibration, this is loud, but this really strong. And the name of this machine is Tough. It means strong, powerful. Yes, it is. It's really strong and powerful. 4.3 millimeter stroke. For lining, very good. Very good for lining, very good for color packing, and how it works, I have no issues. But balance, noise, and they're really not the best solution of this. It looks really nice, it looks interesting and manly, but rapid, it's really hard to foil it. For sure, I will work with this tattoo machine sometimes for lining, for whip shading, but for everyday tattoo machine, not enough balance. Maybe because, I have some problems with my right hand, and because of 15 years of tattooing and my sports career, so I have some problems with my right hand. Maybe for me it's not the best solution, but if you're young, if you're healthy, go ahead. Highly recommend how it works. This machine do the work very well. In the box we have a charger. I think nobody now don't put charger in the box. Of course, USB cable and O-rings, and if you work with cables, with the cords, it can be perfect tattoo machine for you. That's why. And now this machine is perfect. It's light, it's really good balanced, and it's amazing strong. It's high range of strokes, and it still looks really nice and attractive. So if you work with cords, this is your choice. But with battery, I don't know. You must try. Really, you must try if it will be comfortable for you. For me, not really. So in general, good quality, strong, strange but nice looking, and Bronc quality. They make really good tattoo machines. They make really good equipment. So if this, not problem for you, highly recommend. And the price of this tattoo machine is $400. With my discount you will have 10% off. So use my link under video and see you next time.